Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful tip that'll make your Google Sheets look cleaner, clearer, and much more professional. We'll be learning how to add units of measurement, like kilograms, percentages, currency symbols, and even time units, to your numbers by using custom number formatting. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to display things like 2 kg or 10% discount right inside your spreadsheet cells without having to type the units in manually. This not only saves time but also prevents mistakes and keeps your data easy to analyze and sort. Let's jump right in. Imagine we have some sample data, a simple inventory list. You've got a few columns: item, weight, discount, price, and duration. Right now the numbers are just raw values, for example 2 under weight for apples or 35 under price. But looking at those plain numbers, it's not obvious what units they represent. Is 2 pounds or kilograms? Is 35 in dollars, pesos, or something else? The context is missing, and that can lead to confusion, especially if you or someone else comes back to this sheet later. Here where custom number formatting comes in. Let's walk through the process together step by step. First, let's say you want to show weights as kilograms. Start by selecting the entire weight column. This is important because formatting applies to the whole range you select. Next, go up to the menu at the top, click on Format, then hover over Number, and at the bottom of the menu you'll see Custom Number Format. Select that. Now in the dialog box that pops up, type 0 kg. Here, what's happening? The 0 means your numbers will always show 2 decimal places, so 2 becomes 2. The kg part inside the quotation marks tells Google Sheets to display kg right after the number as a label. Hit apply, and just like that, all your weight values now read, for example, 2 kg instead of just 2. This makes it instantly clear what the number represents, and you never have to worry about forgetting to note the units. Let's do the same for the discount column. Maybe you want it as a simple percent, or to make things even clearer, as a percent with the word discount after it. Go back to Format, right arrow, Custom Number Format with the discount column selected, and type either 0% for a plain percent or 0% discount to display 10% discount. That little percent sign tells Google Sheets to format the value as a percentage, and adding discount after it puts the word right next to your number. This is great for clarity, especially if you have columns with different types of percentage values. Now for prices, let's say you're using Philippine pesos. Select the price column, open up custom number format again, and enter #000. That special symbol goes inside quotes at the start, then 0 formats the number with commas for thousands and 2 decimal places. So your price isn't just 35, it becomes 3500. This instantly makes the meaning clear, especially when dealing with multiple currencies. Finally, for durations, maybe you want to show hours with a decimal, like 1.5 HRS. Select the duration column, use the custom format 0 HRS, and hit apply. Now 1.5 becomes 1.5 HRS, making it obvious this is a measure of time. If you ever make a typo or want to change the units, don't worry, you can always repeat these steps and adjust the format. The beauty is that these formats don't change the underlying values, just how they're displayed. That's all there is to it. Custom number formatting in Google Sheets is a small trick that makes a big difference. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want tips on more advanced formatting. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.